So let me pull this up. Here is the breakdown of our demographics in our building. This is at South Decatur Elementary. It's in southeastern Indiana. It's part of the Decatur County Community Schools. So we have South Decatur and North Decatur, obviously each end of the county, and then we have another school in our county that takes over the city part. But our breakdown is this: 96.7% white, 2.8% Hispanic, and 0.5% multiracial. We don't have the diversity there, but we do have things in place for our Hispanic population. We have a full-time Title I reading interventionist who works closely with the Hispanic students to work on their reading language skills. She is our go-to for communication for parents, to translate to them for conferences, anything that goes home with the students. She is our contact for that. We're just a tiny school. We have 423 students. We are working our official grade for accountability through the state as a B, and we are working hard every day to engage every learner in raising those scores. In our special education population, our scores are raising slowly for our state testing, so that just proves the work that everyone is putting in with our students. As far as something that the parents could use, to kind of guide them along an IEP meeting so that they know what different words are, or what the different word meanings are, and some outside resources online to kind of get a better understanding for them to look up. So I put together this little thing, Parents Guide to Special Education, to meet our staff, the three of us, special education teachers, and what area that we cover, how to email us, and then if they just contact the elementary, they can leave a message and we can get back to them as soon as we can. Then I put together, what do all these words and acronyms mean? You go through the IEP meeting and parents often don't have questions, comments, or concerns unless it's we've had big issues. So I don't think a lot of parents completely understand. So this will kind of give them an idea of what we're talking about. So then I put together areas of eligibility so they can see what those letters mean when they're going back through their student's IEP. And then this quick little guide on resources. So the Indiana Department of Education has the state laws, resources, and procedural safeguards online. So that's the link to that. And the procedural safeguards are in multiple different languages. Some examples of accommodations and modifications so that parents can maybe think about things outside of the box of how to help their student. And then eligibility, how that whole process works in order to receive special education services.